How does the future of the automobile industry look like with the integration of artificial intelligence and sustainability? Have you ever wondered? As we venture further into the 21st century, the automobile industry is undergoing a significant transformation, one that is being shaped by the twin forces of artificial intelligence and sustainability. The industry is increasingly acknowledging the need for more sustainable practices. We see a move away from fossil fuel-driven engines to electric ones, a shift towards more efficient manufacturing processes, and an emphasis on using recycled materials. But what's truly fascinating is how artificial intelligence is facilitating this green transition. AI is being used to optimize design and manufacturing processes, predict maintenance needs to reduce waste, and even improve the efficiency of electric vehicles. These innovations are not only making cars more eco-friendly but also more cost-effective. So it's clear that AI and sustainability are two significant trends shaping the future of the automobile industry. But how exactly are they intertwined? Rivian Automotive, an American automaker, provides us with an impressive case study of sustainability and AI working hand in hand. This innovative enterprise has harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to enhance its production processes, making strides in energy optimization, manufacturing efficiency, and product quality. Let's begin with energy optimization. At Rivian, AI plays a pivotal role in conserving energy. Intelligent systems are employed to monitor and manage energy consumption across the production line, ensuring that resources are utilized as efficiently as possible. These systems can predict energy needs, adjust operations to reduce energy waste, and even switch to renewable sources when available, significantly reducing the company's carbon footprint. Next, let's talk about how AI streamlines Rivian's manufacturing process. Advanced robotics and machine learning algorithms are used to automate and optimize production. These technologies enable precision, speed, and flexibility on the factory floor, reducing the likelihood of errors and improving overall productivity. The result? High-quality vehicles produced more quickly and efficiently. But it's not just about making cars faster, it's also about making them better. Rivian uses AI to enhance the quality of its products. Machine learning